Snake Island, officially known as Ilha da Queimada Grande, is a small island located off the coast of São Paulo, Brazil. It is widely regarded as one of the most dangerous and inaccessible places on Earth due to its high concentration of venomous snakes. Here is some informational knowledge about Snake Island. Geography and size. Snake Island is approximately 43 hectares, 106 acres in size, and is located about 33 kilometers, 20 miles, off the Brazilian mainland. The island is uninhabited by humans, and access is strictly regulated by the Brazilian government to protect visitors and preserve the unique ecosystem. Venomous snakes. Snake Island is infamous for its dense population of venomous snakes, primarily the golden lancehead, Bothrops insularis. The golden lancehead is a highly venomous species endemic to the island and is considered one of the most venomous pit vipers in the world. The presence of these snakes has earned Snake Island its name and reputation as a perilous place. Conservation and protection. Snake Island and its unique ecosystem have been designated as a protected area by the Brazilian government. The restriction on human access is primarily aimed at preserving the fragile habitat of the golden lancehead snake, which is considered critically endangered. Researchers and scientists with appropriate permits are occasionally allowed to visit the island for scientific study and conservation purposes. Scientific interest. Despite its dangerous reputation, Snake Island is of great scientific interest due to its isolated ecosystem and the presence of the golden lancehead. Scientists study the venom of the golden lancehead to develop new anti-venoms and gain insights into the evolution and behavior of this unique species. The island's isolation and restricted access make it an ideal laboratory for studying the snake's adaptations and genetic diversity. Tourism and accessibility. Due to the inherent risks associated with the island's snake population, Snake Island is not open to general tourism. The Brazilian Navy enforces strict regulations and only grants access to authorized personnel, typically researchers, in order to ensure safety and protect the wildlife. Visitors interested in learning more about Snake Island and its unique ecosystem are encouraged to explore educational resources, documentaries, and scientific literature. It's important to note that due to the limited access and safety concerns surrounding Snake Island, most information available to the public is based on scientific research and historical accounts rather than first-hand experiences.